Alright guys, so we went to Hoover Dam. Okay, this one is located in the state of Nevada. Okay, so I just want to show you some of the video clips that I have recorded. I'm not here to be a tour guide, okay? And in fact, I will not be giving you some facts about this Hoover Dam because I'm not expert about Hoover Dam, okay? So I just want to show you things that that we've been, that we have seen in the area. So as you can see, we're walking. This is from the parking lot, okay? We park our car and then we're walking towards to that part of the dam. This is like under construction, guys. That is where it's like a tourist center, basically. Probably you learn something about the Hoover Dam.
Mom,
Yeah, if you want to learn something about Hoover Dam, then that's it. That's the area. See, that is the dam itself. We're walking, as you can see, this is a beautiful spot. Yeah, it's the dam, Hoover Dam. Yep, that's it. That is all about the Hoover Dam.
It wasn't a parking garage.
It's a nice place to be, if you want to see the dam itself. There's a lot of people taking pictures, and it's a good view actually. It was raining when we went there, but as you can see, guys, look at that. Yeah, that is all about the Hoover Dam. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. If you want to see the entire video, it's only I think a 2 minutes video, guys. Yeah, so as you can see, then the other side we went there too. It's the same. It's just the other side of the dam, but basically it's not really like there's a lot of things to see, but this is the main feature, like the bridge and the dam, and then that's it. So if you will by any chance will visit the state of Nevada or Las Vegas, you can visit this place and see. It's free entrance. You just have to pay for the parking. Parking is, I think it's like $5, I think, or something. I think it's 5 or maybe 10. I'm not sure, but it's just the parking. It's free entrance. So yeah. Anyway, guys, if you want to see more of my random videos, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye.